Friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Today, because of the request from large number of people, we are doing fundamental analysis of Maruti Suzuki shares. My dear friends, Maruti started in 1981 in India. Partners, Government of India, Suzuki Motor Corporation of Japan, very famous company. It was earlier called Maruti Udyog Limited, now called Maruti Suzuki. It is the biggest automobile manufacturing company in India. IPO came out in 2003, 5 rupees face value, premium 120, sold at 125 rupees per share. And then if you look at the shareholding pattern, who is holding the shares of Maruti Suzuki? Promoters 56%, foreign institutions 22%, domestic institutional investors approximately 19%, and others, me and you, are holding only 3% shares. If you look at the cars that are purchased in India, out of the 100 cars, 53% are Maruti, Hyundai 16%, Tata Motors only 5%. Now I'm going to give you the market capitalization of Maruti shares in our country. Maruti Suzuki has a turnover of 2,11,258 crores in the stock market. M&M is next, 77,500 crores. Hindustan Motors 128 crores. The profits of Maruti in the last 5 years, 2016 5,378 crores, 2017 7,338 crores, 2018 7,717 crores, 2019 7,495 crores, and 2020 there's a slight dip, 5,559 crores. Last 1 year, Maruti profits has come down. We should really start worrying. Maybe because of the mega cities in India, traffic jam, plus all these rented cars are available in plenty. But my hope is in the days to come, Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4 cities may start selling more Maruti cars because there is no traffic jam there, plus the financial position of people is improving day by day. If you look at the Maruti shares, until today, Maruti has not given any bonus or split. Suppose you had purchased Maruti shares on July 2003 by paying 10,000 rupees. That time, Maruti was costing 164 rupees. Today, August 2020, the same shares if you sell, you will fetch 4,25,800 rupees, because today the Maruti rate per share is 6,984, and per annum the profit you get is 24.56%. Last 5 years, the Maruti CAGR profit is 8.55%. 52 weeks high, Maruti 7,758. 52 weeks low, 4,001 rupees. Now what are the future expansion programs of Maruti? Electric cars are coming, CNG cars, hybrid cars are coming, cars with more safety features, and they are phasing out diesel cars shortly. Now I am giving you the graph of Maruti from 2003 until today. Don't buy Maruti because I am telling you. You do your own analysis. Very important. Use moneycontrol.com, NSE website, BSE website, and make your own research and find out from Google what are the future expansion programs of Maruti, etc., etc. Have pressed the like button, shared this video to some of your friends, maybe 10, 15, 20, 50 people. Thanks for watching the whole video. Let me wish you all the best. Bye bye.